This is day one of building an RC car entirely from scratch so I can make cosplay robotics. But first, make sure you follow so you can learn with me. Now I've got the Elegoo Uno R3 here hooked up to my laptop running Arduino IDE so I can program the servo motor. Thankfully, with these 5-volt DC motors, it's a lot easier to wire them up. You just have to wire positive and negative up to it, and then boom, it spins. Originally, I was going to wire all 4 of these motors, but then I thought about it. Cars are only front wheel or rear wheel drive. So that brings me down to 2 motors, and then I thought about it again. If I use a drive shaft, I only need 1 motor to rotate both wheels. After that, I've got the servo motor working. I had to program it a little bit with some basic code just to make sure that it rotates correctly. Seeing all the parts working is super exciting and it's got me pumped up. Up next is the motor controller. Unfortunately, this is a lot more complex, so I am going to have to do that in the next video. And then here's the chassis that I printed for the first time. I don't know what I was thinking about this thing. Didn't even measure it. I just threw something together in Fusion.